Hello children, let's make some yummy snacks for Christmas. First we will take few slices of bread. You can take brown bread or you can take white bread also. Now get your favorite spread. You can take jam, any jam, mixed fruit jam or pineapple or whichever you like. And you can take chocolate spread also. For making this yummy snacks, you need some utensils. What are those? You need a rolling pin and board, butter knife and spoon. First of all, we will remove the bread crust. You can take help of any elder for removing the bread crust with the help of a knife. Now place the bread on the board and with the help of rolling pin flatten out. Take out 1 spoon of jam, put it on the bread and now spread it with the help of butter knife. Make sure the jam should be evenly spread on the bread. In place of jam, you can use chocolate spread also. Do the same thing, spread it on the bread evenly. Hold the bread from both the corners and start rolling tightly. Cut the roll into bite-sized pieces with the help of an adult. Now arrange your jam roll or chocolate roll on a plate showing beautiful spirals. You can use a toothpick for your pinwheel candy. Now your yummy snack is ready. Thank you.